In this problem, we have to find out the moment of this force of 100 Newton about the line CA. So we saw in the previous video that magnitude of the moment about any line XX of a force is equal to the moment of the force about any point on the line XX dotted with a unit vector along the line XX. We can choose any point on the line XX. So in this particular case, we have an option. Either we can choose point C or we can choose point A. Let us choose point C, and therefore the moment about the line CA would be equal to the moment about point C dotted with a unit vector along CA. Note that this is a scalar quantity. This is the magnitude of the moment about the line CA. So let us first determine the moment about point C, and that will be equal to MC would be equal to RCB cross with F, and RCB is minus 5I. So this is minus 5I cross with the force is in vertical direction and of 100 newtons, so it will be 100 K, and this will be equal to 500 J Newton meter. Let us now determine the unit vector along CA. So unit vector CA would be equal to the position vector CA divided by the magnitude of CA, and this will be equal to minus 3I plus 3J whole divided by square root of 3 square plus 3 square. So this will be equal to minus 3I plus 3J whole divided by 3 square root 2, and that will be equal to 1 upon root 2 minus I plus J. So we shall use this value and calculate the scalar quantity MCA. So MCA is equal to MC, which is 500J, this vector dotted with lambda CA, which is minus I plus J, and this will be equal to, there is only J component here, so it will be 500 upon square root 2, and this is a positive quantity, which means that the moment vector MCA is directed from C to A, and that is our answer. Let us check what result we get if we select point A for computing the moment of the force about this point. So if we select point A instead of C, we shall get MA equal to RAB cross with F, and that will be equal to minus 2I minus 3J cross with 100K. This will be equal to 200 J minus 300 I. Now let us find out the magnitude of the moment about the line CA, this will be equal to moment about A dotted with a unit vector along CA. So this in turn would be equal to 200 J minus 300 I dotted with 1 upon root 2 minus I plus J, and this in turn would be equal to 200 times 1 be 200, and minus 300 times minus 1 would be plus 300. This will be equal to 500 upon root 2 Newton meter. This also is Newton meter, and this result is same as what we got when we had considered point C. So this indicates that we can choose any point on the line CA, compute the moment of the force about that point, and then take its projection along the line CA. Although the moments about these 2 points are different, in one case it is 500 J, in another case it is 200 J minus 300 I, but projection of both these moments MC and MA along the line CA is same, which is 500 upon square root 2. In both the cases, the scalar result is the same. So what is the takeaway from this tutorial? When we have to compute moment of a force about a line, we can choose any point on the line, compute the moment of the force about that point, and then take its projection along the specified line. So I hope you will find this useful. In case you have any questions, please feel free to include them in the discussion section below. And if you have liked the video, please click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.